Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Progress. My name is Corey, and today I'd like to talk to you about wireless headphones. Like many of you, I have accumulated quite the collection of wireless headphones over the years. I have my cheap pair that I got off Amazon that I use for listening to music while I work out, but unfortunately they have so much lag that I can't use them for watching any kind of media. I have my really good noise canceling ones that I use for editing. But again, unfortunately, I cannot use these working out because I don't want to get them all sweaty and gross. And then I also have my good pair that I use for consuming media when I don't want to bother anybody else. They don't have any kind of lag, but also they have a lot of clamping force. They hurt my head after a while. Also not good for working out. So I've looked for years for the perfect set of wireless headphones and have yet to find them. So when they started coming out with these wireless earbuds, I thought I wanted to get a pair and give them a try. And I wasn't quite sure which ones I wanted to get. I'm not an Apple guy, so I don't want the AirPods. The Samsung Galaxy Buds looked like they were pretty cool. But then I heard about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. And the leaks were real. These things look like a couple of beans, but apparently they are actually pretty good. So I thought I just got myself a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and I thought I might as well give it a try and stick with the Samsung ecosystem and see how well these things work. So today I just like to get into these, unbox them, and I'll give you my first impressions, and we'll see what they're like. Open them up here. Right, wow, it's actually a little small little pod that comes in there. So this is the case that they come in, and apparently this case holds, I think, up to 3 full charges of the AirPod, or the Galaxy Buds. They're not AirPods. What else does it come with here? Okay, so a little USB Type A to Type C cable, which is pretty cool, and that looks like that's about it. So let's take a look at these. All right, so they're nice and shiny. Got a little green light on there. All right, so left ear, right ear. Put these in. You're supposed to stick them in your ear and kind of give them a little twist. Oh yeah, yeah. I like that. That's not bad. Actually pretty comfortable. They're really light. Gotta try and pair them. We'll see how we do that. So let's see. I'm gonna open up the case. Make sure the screen is recording. It is. Okay, so we're gonna open up the case. And yep, Galaxy Buds Live pops up on my device. A new device has been detected. Connect. How to wear your earbuds. Okay, make sure you put the left and right earbud in the correct ear. With the speaker facing inward, a correct fit will give you the best sound and active noise canceling. Okay, so it says that I'm supposed to insert it into my ear this way, and apparently not the other way. Okay, got it. All right, you're all set. All right, so let's put these in. I'm gonna give them a shot here. So it says that they're 79% charged. The new version of the software for your earbuds is ready to download. Okay, so view update. Let's update it. Okay. While we're waiting for that to update, let's take a look at the wireless charging pad that comes free with it right now. Open this up. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right. So it's a little wireless charging pad. It doesn't look like it props up or anything like that. It just sits flat on the desk. Oh, cool. All right. So it does actually come with a charger. You don't see that too often anymore. Sometimes these things come without a charger. This thing actually comes with the AC adapter, so that's pretty cool. I like that. Oh, I got a sound, a tone coming through here. Get to know your earbuds. Okay, let's go. How to wear your earbuds. Yep. So I think we've already figured that out. I looked previously to see how to put them in. Basically, you stick them in your ear, kind of this way. You stick them into your ear canal, and then you turn the top piece until it kind of hard to. Oh, that's a cool tone. Okay, Sorry, it's playing music while I'm doing all this. So yeah, okay, so you stick them in and then kind of turn them upwards. They feel right now like they're snug, like this is where they should be. So I'm gonna leave them just like that. Like I say, I can kind of hear a little bit of dampening of the sound in the room, but I can still, like I can still hear every single noise that's out here. So tap, play, or pause track. Double tap, play next track. Answer or end call. Triple tap is previous track. Touch and hold is user's choice. Okay, so it's playing music right now. Wow. These actually sound amazing. Like, I mean, compared to junk ones like these, they sound incredible. Like, I would say at least comparable to the Sennheisers, but they're not sealed. They're more of an open back, so it's giving a nice clean sound. Not quite as muffled, or not quite as noise canceling as the Bose, but like this is really good. It's playing like a classical, not classical, like a jazz kind of tune, I guess. I don't know. Okay, tap once near the upper mic on one of your earbuds. Okay, so tap. You've got it. Now tap again to continue. Tap. Yeah. Okay, so try again, it says. Tap. Yeah. Well done. Give it one more practice tap. Great. Okay. All right, no more practicing tapping. Okay, charging with your phone. Okay, so it's just saying that the power share, basically you can put your phone down, put your buds on top of the phone with the power share enabled, and you can charge your phone or charge your earbuds through your phone using your phone's battery. I probably won't do that very often because this phone doesn't really give me the greatest battery life anyway, so I don't want to waste it on charging my earbuds. I'd rather be without my earbuds than without my phone. Okay, so we've got active noise canceling. So I'll turn that on. Okay, so that's on. Right now I'm not really hearing anything different, so let's get into... Okay, so let's, what do we want to play here? Counting Crows, Mr. Jones. Let's try that. Okay. So I got music playing. I'm going to try, okay, active noise canceling off. Don't really notice a difference. Maybe a little bit of noise canceling, but it doesn't seem like it's crazy. So bass boost, yeah, a little bit of a difference. Soft. Ooh, I like that one, dynamic. Good for this kind of music. Clear, well, it's nice too. I've always hated treble boosts, so that's no good. Okay, back to dynamic. I like that. That's good. Okay. So touch controls. So you can block touches. That's cool. So left, active noise canceling. Okay, so touch and hold, you can do active noise canceling, Bixby, if anybody out there uses Bixby. Samsung, if you ever end up watching this, please just go to Google Assistant. Nobody wants to use Bixby. Volume down or Spotify. Right one can be volume up, Bixby again, active noise canceling, or Spotify for holding the button. So I'm actually going to change that to volume up and volume down because that seems to be what I would use the most. So let's go back. Read notifications allowed. That's cool. Okay, so all these different apps, you can set it to read your notifications out loud, so that's kind of cool. Advanced, okay, so you can do the Bixby voice wake up. Again, who would use Bixby? Now, if I could say, okay, Google, and use Google Assistant with these, I would actually use that. Bixby, no. Find my earbuds. Okay, so let's say we throw the earbuds down, and I go find my earbud. Oh. So it's chirping like a bird, okay. And it gets louder and louder. So that's basically it for the app. So I'm going to plug in the charging pad here just so we can get a quick overview of how it charges. If I close the lid to this, it's showing, I think that's yellow on the LED. All right, let's put it on here. Okay, so it's showing a solid red light, and I think that means it's charging. Now, if I was to plug this in directly to the case, again, it starts to charge. Okay, so that's pretty cool. To me, so far they sound pretty good. They look pretty good. I mean, they're very stylish. Now you can see just using them for a couple of minutes, I've got fingerprints and sweat all over them. So I don't know how nice they're going to look over time, but right now they do. In fact, this case that was nice and shiny when it first came out of the box is now all gunked up with my fingerprints as well. So there they are. There's the case, like a little jewelry box. The case holds charge for them, or the case can charge them on its own. The earbuds right inside there. And they were pretty easy to pair. They're extremely easy to set up, especially with the Samsung phone. I don't know how they will be with a normal Android phone. Maybe we could take a look at that in another video. But yeah, so there we go. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, first impressions seem pretty cool. Maybe we'll make another video in a couple of weeks after I've used them for a while and see what my final impressions are. So that's it for today. Thank you for tuning into Tech Progress. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you'd like to see more great tech videos in the future, please get subscribed and hit that notification icon so you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.